Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify hosting or affiliate offers with correct link parameters. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify hosting or affiliate offers with the correct link parameters, start by logging into your hosting or affiliate account. Navigate to the offers section in the main dashboard. Select the affiliate offer you want to verify. Copy the unique affiliate link provided for that offer. Open a new browser tab and paste the affiliate link in the address bar. Before hitting enter, check the parameters attached to the link. Make sure the tracking ID is included in the link. Confirm that the offer ID matches the one you selected from your affiliate account. If applicable, review any additional parameters specified in the offer details. Hit enter to load the link and navigate to the hosting or website. Once the page loads, check that the URL in the address bar reflects your affiliate parameters. You can use URL shorteners or tracking tools to track clicks if desired. Test the link by clicking on it and verifying it redirects to the correct offer page. Review your affiliate dashboard for any recorded clicks or conversions. If everything checks out, you have successfully verified the affiliate link. Make a note of any discrepancies with the parameters for further investigation if needed. Now, you're ready to promote your hosting or affiliate offers confidently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.